In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit an image to a full page in Google Docs. If you're working on a document and want that sleek, professional look that comes with a full page image, you're in the right place. So let's dive into the steps to make this happen. First things first, we need to insert the image into your document. Head over to the toolbar at the top of your screen and find the Insert tab. Give that a click and then slide down to hover over the image option. Here, Google Docs offers you several ways to upload your image. You can choose to upload from your computer, search the web, dive into your Google Drive, access your Google Photos, snap a picture through your camera, or even use a URL if you have one handy. For today's demonstration, I'll be uploading a photo directly from my computer. So go ahead, click Upload from Computer, select your desired image, and hit Open. Now you've got your image sitting on the page. The next step is all about reformatting. Go ahead and click on your image to select it. When you do that, you'll notice some options appear at the bottom of the image. Look for the option that says Behind Text and select it. This will ensure that your image serves as a full page backdrop, with the text layered neatly over the top. With the image selected, you'll also see 3 horizontal dots at the bottom right-hand corner. Click on these dots to open up all image options. Here, click on the Position tab, and within that, make sure to select Fix Position on Page. This step is crucial because it will ensure your image stays in place even as you continue editing the rest of your document. All right, on to the most exciting part, adjusting your image to cover the entire page. You'll see small squares at the corners and edges of your selected image. Click and drag these squares to stretch the image to fit the size of the page. This includes pulling the image by its corners to ensure both the width and height are perfectly aligned with the page's dimensions. Once the image fits to your liking, let's make sure our text is readable by adjusting the opacity of the image. Click on Adjustment, then find the opacity slider. Slide it to the left to make your image more transparent or to the right to make it more vivid, depending on the contrast you prefer with your text. And there you have it, a beautifully fitted image to your page in Google Docs, complete with an opacity adjustment for that professional touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.